Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Porsche 911 GT3. So I personally love this particular livery, so I went ahead and bought this. And to be honest, this was like only one in the box when I bought it. So even I saw a video, I think this is from C case, and yeah, the person who unboxed the entire case in that particular video, he even showed only one. So I'm really glad I bought this one. So we did unbox this casting in red color, I think last year. So okay, so out of the box, the casting looks really nice, but paint job wise, it looks really shit, specifically here in the hood. The typical metal style. I really don't know why they are going with this glossy black. It is really a imperfect. I mean, the color is perfect, but the way they are doing the castings and the painting on top of that, it shows the imperfections a lot. So the good thing is it has acrylics for headlights. The logo placement is nice, but logo is not really nice. It doesn't say, if you are showing this in a very close-up shot to someone and ask what logo is this, they are not going to say anything because it doesn't look like anything at all. It looks like someone smeared, random colors there. Okay, doesn't have any grill details here. Okay, so the livery here looks really simple and nice, and it does have tail light detailing here, which is really nice. Okay, the chassis is actually fully plastic and the body is fully metal, including the spoiler. It is not really that heavy, it is a bit light. So it has interior details to it. I know you can see some I don't know, again, this is like a glue residue or something. It happens in most of the cars which I actually opened so far. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. Okay, 33 grams, not bad. I was expecting somewhere around 30 grams, 29 to 30. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. Oh my god. That makes a lot of noise and it doesn't roll really well. I think honestly, first car in this entire 12 cars which we unboxed so far, this one is the very worst one that doesn't roll really well. We can neglect that land speeder because it doesn't even fit inside the track and the wheels are very tiny. So I was not expecting that to roll at all. So let's leave that or not. Maybe out of 10, so including this one, 11 castings, this is the worst. Honestly, rest all the castings really performed really well. Even though some had wheel wobbles, it still reached the end of the track and all those castings rolled really well. I was really happy about that. It has a little bit of wheel wobble and it doesn't even roll well. I don't know how it reached till there the first time. Maybe let's put till the top and let's see. Honestly, man, I'm not doing anything wrong or anything new. I'm just, doing the same way. But still, it doesn't roll really well. But as a showpiece, maybe it will look good if you keep it in this way, maybe. Honestly, man, I really don't like this glossy paint job. They could have went with matte black along with this golden, Porsche logo and this pinstriping here. That would have looked so better. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.